Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the Figma logo in Figma. First, open Figma and start a new design file. You'll want to begin by creating a new frame. Select the Frame tool from the toolbar and draw a square on your canvas. For a good starting point, set its width and height to 500 pixels each. This provides a clean workspace for our logo creation. Next, we'll create the fundamental building blocks of the Figma logo, 5 perfect squares. Grab the rectangle tool from the Shape menu. Remember to hold down the Shift key while you drag to constrain the proportions and create a true square. Make each of these squares precisely 100 pixels wide and 100 pixels tall. We need 5 of these identical squares for our design. Now let's arrange and color our squares to form the iconic Figma shape. Position 4 of your squares to create a 2x2 grid. Then take the 5th square and place it directly underneath the bottom right square of your grid. For the colors, assign the specific Figma brand colors to each square: pink, purple, blue, green, and orange. This arrangement and coloring bring the logo to life. For our final steps, we'll refine the logo and group its components. Double-check that all 5 squares are perfectly aligned, with no unwanted spaces between them. Once you're satisfied with the alignment, select all 5 squares. You can do this by dragging a selection box around them or by holding Shift and clicking each one. Finally, group them together using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+G or Command+G. This makes your new Figma logo a single, manageable object.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.